Hey everyone, and welcome back to Stardust for another tutorial video. Today, we'll learn how you can speed up the investigation of your Windows machines in Azure Cloud. First, if you don't already have a local copy of Comae Toolkit, download a copy after logging in to Comae Stardust dashboard. Extract the files and launch PowerShell as administrator and navigate where the Comae scripts are located. We will need the Microsoft AZ PowerShell module to operate any of the Azure commands. You can install it using the install module AZ command. The next step is to log into your Azure account via PowerShell using the Login AZ account command. If you cannot see your virtual machine while using the Get AZ VM command, this just means that you need to select the appropriate Azure subscription. To do so, use the Get Azure subscription and select AZ subscription commands. Just pass the subscription name to the command and that's it. Now, you should be able to see your virtual machines when using the Get AZ VM command. You can check again if you can now access your virtual machine. Once Azure Access is configured, you can now import the Comae PowerShell module using the Import Module command like we've seen in previous videos. Comae PowerShell module is open source and available on GitHub. In this video, the command we will use is invoke Comae AZ VM when analyze. AZ stands for Microsoft Azure, and the prefix aims at helping to differentiate the commands from other cloud providers such as AWS for Amazon Web Services. This command leverages the Run command feature available on Azure Windows VMs. A similar task can be achieved for Azure Linux virtual machines, as we will cover in a future video. See the link in the video description to learn more about it. While using the command, you will need to provide the virtual machine name, its resources group, and your Comae credentials. In this example, we are retrieving them from the user interface. Just like in the previous videos, your Comae client ID and client secret can be found in the Settings page under the Integrations tab in Comae Stardust dashboard. The command will now automatically analyze your virtual machine and then send the dump file to Stardust for analysis. You can recognize the output of Dump It command on the remote Azure virtual machine. Let's fast forward to our dashboard to see the results. We can now use the Comae Stardust features to browse the image. It shows that one process is suspicious because it's using token manipulation functions. We, of course, have access to the graph view to visualize the relationship of this process with other processes to quickly identify if this is a false positive or not. Last but not least, the report feature summarizes all the artifacts found into a one-page document and classify the malicious and suspicious elements found by our internal detection playbooks. That's it for today. As you can see, the process is extremely easy, and as more and more companies are using cloud infrastructures, it is very important to rethink how incident response is managed and executed. And this can partly be achieved by intelligently leveraging features offering by those cloud providers. Even though many are already offering security products for detection, the offering for incident response is still very weak and lacking by those cloud providers. Reference links can be found in the description of the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any feedback or questions, do not hesitate to reach out. We always love to hear from our customers. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.